So today's video is sponsored by Uniq. If you have an Apple device, you definitely heard of the brand Uniq, and personally I've been using Uniq's cases for a while now and I honestly loved everything about them. I've previously checked out some Uniq's cases and they've been proven to give you great protection in a minimal functional case. So today we're taking a look at two more products from Uniq in protecting your EDCs. So Uniq have sent me two very special products today. One is a power bank, which is the Hyde Air Click here, which I'm honestly super excited about, and I'll show you why in a little bit. And another three cases from their Heldro series of cases, which is designed to give you maximum protection with an exquisite styling and practicality. So we're going to take a look at these two products today, and I'll tell you why these are absolutely amazing products if you have the iPhone 12 series. And if you're interested in any parts of this video, I have all the timestamps in the description below, and if you're interested in getting any of these cases and power bank from Uniq, please check out their website below. So we have the Hyde Air Click here, and this is not your typical Xiaomi power bank, but this is a proper 10,000 mAh power bank that is built specifically to meet the specialized needs of iPhone 12. And the Hyde Air Click, as the name suggests, is first of all a wireless power bank, meaning you can charge your phone wirelessly, but better still, these are MagSafe compatible, so if you have an iPhone 12, it magnetically sucks onto your phone and delivers power, which is super cool. Not only that, Uniq also includes magnetic rings inside the box, so you can use it with any non-MagSafe phones and it will work perfectly well. The Hyde Air Clicks retails for about 65 US, and that's about 270 Malaysia ringgit. It's a little bit more expensive than its competition, but I can tell you that these are well worth your money. So let's get into it. So the Hyde Air Click is built like a tank. Honestly, no joke, this power bank is super solid, so firm and strong. There's no rattling plastic here if you can hear. And I'm comparing it to the Orki here, which kind of feels plasticky. It's also solid, but it kind of feels a little bit plasticky on the Orki. But the Hyde Air Click is super solid in terms of its build quality. So the entire power bank is made of a textured plastic material, which is super nice, kind of have a rubbery feeling to it. Very nice to hold and creates a very grippy surface for you to hold the power bank on. And behind of the power bank, you get a flip out stand so you can use your phone in a landscape mode, and the power bank is built exactly to fit the size of the iPhone 12 Pro. So if I pull this out and lay it down, you can see that the iPhone 12 snaps into place super nicely. You don't even need to have a holder here to place your phone on, and it will just magnetically holds onto your phone, which is pretty cool. And if we compare it to the Orki that we have, so this Orki is also a wireless power bank, but the thing is that this is not built with the MagSafe in mind, so it has to use a cradle like this, and I have to lay my phone on top of that cradle, and it will fall off if I tilt it around, so it's not really that cool. So in terms of design and practicality, the MagSafe really is one of the better features that I like. All you gotta do is place it on here, it magnetically sucks onto your phone, and it doesn't fall. So at the front of the power bank is where you get all your inputs and outputs, and the Hyde Air Click comes with a USB-A with QC 3.0 fast charging technology. You also get a USB-C PD port for all your inputs and outputs, so you can charge the power bank, and you can also use this to power out to charge your phone. You'll also be getting charging indicators and 4 LEDs to tell you the battery percentage of the case. So if you press onto the side, you will see the LED light up and tell you the amount of battery that you have. So the USB-A with QC 3.0 supports up to a maximum of 22.5 watts of charging. So that is only if you use this alone without anything else, without wireless charging or what. So on its own, 22.5 watts. And the USB-C PD has a maximum charging speed of 20 watts. So if you have the new iPhone cable from USB-C to Lightning cable, you can enjoy maximum 20 watts of speed there. And at the top where the MagSafe wireless charging is, it supports a maximum of 15 watts of charging with the iPhone 12 series. And if you have older series of the iPhone, AirPods or AirPods Pro, it will also work, but with charging speeds of up to 10 watts or 7.5 watts depending on your device. So honestly, the reason why I love this power bank is because of its slim design. You can see that this thing is built super slim, almost the size of the iPhone 12. It's easy to carry around. It's MagSafe compatible, so you can snap your phone there, and I can never get tired of that because it's super cool. And the fact that you can enjoy the maximum charging speed for the iPhone 12 regardless of its wireless charging or wired charging. So if you're looking for a functional wireless power bank for your iPhone 12, I think you don't have to look further. This is the power bank you need to buy. So next we're going to take a look at a new case from the iPhone 12 series, and the Heldro is, honest to heart, the most beautiful iPhone 12 case I've ever seen. And the reason why I say this is because I'm a big camo fan. And when Uniq sent me the Heldro in the camo blue and the camo black, I'm super excited, and this is going to be the case I'm rocking from now on. So the Heldro comes in two different versions. So the standard Heldro, which is this transparent one, and it also comes in a variety of solid colors like black or blue. And the one that we have here is transparent, and another one is the designer edition. So this too falls into the Heldro designer edition series, and it comes in various camo colors. So you have the blue, the gray, and the white. So we're going to start off with this Heldro designer series in camo blue, and the Heldro is made of a solid plastic / silicone shell. It also has a very nice texture finish to the back, and this one is only on the designer series. If you get the traditional Heldro series, this one doesn't have any texture. And the designer edition is also finished in a unique camouflage motif. And if you notice that with every Heldro is a band that Uniq calls Flex Grip Band that helps you hold your phone with one hand, so you can securely type on, browse, or navigate with one hand. And I think the band is a brilliant idea, especially when phones are getting bigger and bigger. With the grip, you can easily reach the top of your screen with no trouble at all. So all I gotta do is put my finger inside, and I can easily reach my phone at the top, at the bottom. I can do everything that I want. I can pull down notifications, control center, very easy to use. And if you look inside the case itself, you'll also be getting scratch protection from Uniq's felt material, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched up when it's inside the case. And if you like to customize your phone cases, you can also buy the Uniq's Flex Grip Band from their website, and you can mix and match the colors to spice up your style. So that's very nice stuff there. So the entire range of the Heldro is designed to not only look good but also to have great protection, and all of these cases give you up to 10 feet of drop protection. And the standard Heldro also comes with Uniq's micro repel technology that kills up to 99.9% of germs, especially great during this pandemic time. So all of the flex grip bands here, you can see it supports a tugging force of up to 14 kilograms, which is crazy strong for a tiny band like this. And all of the cases come with their very own matching lanyard, so you can hang it on your wrist while walking around. The standard Heldro that we have here also comes with a strong 2H scratch resistant, which is the first I've ever seen, and because most transparent cases scratches easily, this is an absolutely welcoming feature. And if you can see here, the case also comes with a super deep cutout for your camera bump, so it gives you great protection, and honestly puzzled as to how Uniq can still manage to keep the case so slim even with this much of protection in it. And at the front of the case, the lip also provides good face down protection for the case, so you're not going to get your screen scratched up when you put it face down. So just to add on, I actually have a tempered glass screen protector on here, so you can see even with that glass protector, I still get a few millimeters of space there for the lip protection. So another great lineup from Uniq, and I especially love the Hyde Air Click here, and honestly I think this is one of the gadgets that I'm going to use every day. So remember to check out Uniq's website, and you can use the discount code in the description below if you want to pick up any of these products. And I'll see you in the next video.